Today we will be making stuffed spaghetti squash boats. These are perfect if you're trying to cut out carbs but still have a delicious dinner. They are super filling and you can be as creative as you want with them and cater them to your taste buds. We will be making two kinds today, a mushroom one and a ground beef one. You will need a spaghetti squash, of course. Cut off the top and then cut it in half long ways. These are kind of hard to cut, so make sure you use a really good knife and a strong arm. Scoop out the seeds using a spoon. Pro tip, do not put these in your food disposal because then your husband will have to spend the next 2 days fixing your sink and telling you to stop putting random food down the drain. Next, we're going to coat them with a mixture of olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Place your spaghetti squash on a baking sheet and put it in the oven at 400 degrees and bake for 45 minutes. Once it's baked, it should scrape off easily like this. Once you have good long noodles going on, they're ready to stuff. For the mushroom ones, I'm using minced garlic, mushrooms of course, and some pasta sauce. I'm using Primal Kitchen's tomato basil sauce because it has no added sugar. Top it off with some fresh basil and more mushrooms, and then you're done. For our meat one, we will be using garlic, cooked ground beef or soy crumbles if you don't eat meat, and that same pasta sauce. Again, I am topping it off with basil and some more meat. I usually top this off with cheese, but I didn't have any in my fridge today, which is fine because we sacrifice calories but not taste. I top it off with some oregano, red pepper flakes, and voila! The perfect spaghetti squash boats. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes coming soon.